All right, this is Walt Brewer with Network Funding and your Friday mortgage market update for February the 8th. It's a little different chart. This is a comparison of stocks, stock market, S&P 500, mortgages, and T-bills. And you can see historically everything moves pretty much in lockstep one way or the other with some slight variations. But starting right here in end of 2011, or I'm sorry, beginning of 2011, end of 2010, right when quantitative easing started, you can see the S&P really diverged from the crowd, and they're way up here and everything else is way down here. So once quantitative easing is stopped, and it will stop at some point, whether it's next year when unemployment reaches some special level or whatever, watch for a big correction there. If you look at the mortgage chart, you can see for the last 2.5 weeks we've been in this trading range, testing the top or entering it and establishing it here, and then testing the bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, including today, and testing the top 1, 2, 3 times. But we're really stuck on this 10-day moving average, and our inability to break through that is not that encouraging, to be honest with you. You look at this longer term chart, same thing. We're in a downward channel, establishing the top, testing the bottom, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and we're moving sideways. And when you look at this longer term chart, you see when you move sideways for a long time, there's a lot of energy that builds up, and it breaks out in one direction or the other. You can see how we started back in March of last year down at 99. We rolled all the way up to 106, which is a 7-point run, which is pretty amazing. Had one interruption there. But you can see we've given back about 3/4 of what we gained between August and end of September, beginning of October. So this is technically a kind of positive thing, but again, we've got a lot of these moving day averages on top of us, and that could be very tough to break through. I'll keep an eye on all that for you, and have a great weekend.